Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making shrimp in mustard sauce. Let's get right to it. To start, defrost shrimps and unshelf them. Add salt, ground black pepper, cornstarch, cooking oil, and mix everything fully. Heat cooking oil over medium-high and add shrimps. Fry until both sides turn golden brown. Shift out to a bowl and add mayo, yellow mustard, and wasabi. Mix fully and then shrimp in mustard sauce is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.